ギリス人風景画家デイヴィッド・クレインさんの展覧会を訪ねてきました。デイヴィッドさん、はじめまして、こんにちは。
こんにちは。
Hello, David。今日はデイヴィッドさんに、作品のことや日本についての感想などお聞きしたいと思います。
Yes, I'd very much like to talk to you about that.
まず最初に画家になりたいと思ったのはどうしてですか？
I spent some of my early years in Africa as a child, and that instilled in me my love of nature and beautiful scenery. Now I hope to be able to transfer that into my artwork now that I am painting landscapes.
とても素晴らしい大きな自然との出会いが画家になるきっかけだったんですね。
Yes.
それでは次に芸術家としての哲学というか考え方を聞かせてください。
Well, I call my work a celebration of nature, and I want to acknowledge this in my work and to honor it.
とても素晴らしいことと思います。それではいくつか作品の背景など教えてください。
I lived for 20 years in Cornwall. Here the climate is mild, and that gives the scenery a green and lush appearance. The beech woods of Cornwall inspired my series of paintings. I like to use the light that filters through the trees, illuminating the paths and the trees and the greenery, and giving that romantic morning misty feeling to the paintings. Look into this painting and imagine yourself in the painting, exploring this romantic area.
とても穏やかな気持ちになれます。この絵について説明していただけますか？
Another beautiful area of England are the Cotswolds, well known to Japanese people. Many of the houses are around 600 years old, so the original features must be preserved. The Cotswolds are also home to the English country garden.
田舎の風景ですごくとても可愛らしいんですけれども、イングリッシュガーデンは今日本でもブームですよね。
The Lake District is another beautiful area of England in the northwest part of England. It is full of lakes and rivers, woods and trees, and these old bridges which span these rivers are many years old.
数百年の歴史がこの景観に溶け込んで、まさにオールドイングランドならではの風景だと思います。
Beatrix Potter, the author of the Peter and Rabbit stories, lived in Hilltop Farm for many years. This area was also the home to William Wordsworth, who lived in Dove Cottage with his sister and was famous for English poetry.
ここには本当に有名な方々がたくさん住んでいらっしゃったんですね。さて、作品をいくつかお伺いしましたけれども、これまで東京、名古屋、大阪、京都などで展覧会を開催したとお聞きしましたけれども、あなたの作品が日本で受け入れられている理由は何だと思いますか？
I hope that the way I observe nature and that the charm of my landscape comes out in my paintings. Japanese people seem to understand the depth of feeling I have for the natural world and appreciate my type of art, not only the peaceful and tranquil approach, but also that it is aspirational.
拝見していますと、森の光がとても印象的で、木や花々がとても繊細に描き出されていると思うんですけれども、今後作品はどのように変わっていくのでしょうか？
My paintings have evolved over 35 years, and I am still trying to improve my work. Every painting is different, and when I start a new canvas, I try to portray the light and the shadows and the colours that have become a feature of my work. and never stop trying to improve what I do.
1946年、イギリス・ヨークシャーの春に生まれたデイビッド・クレイン先生。66歳の今日もまだまだ勉強中と語る芸術の奥の深さとその謙虚な姿勢に感動しました。本日はありがとうございました。
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.